Now we are given that the weights of apples show a normal distribution with a mean of 6.576 ounces and a standard deviation of 0.312 ounces. So the distribution will roughly look like this. Okay. Now say we would like to know the percentage of apples that weigh between 6.4 ounces and 6.8 ounces. What that means is that we want to know the area between the 6.4 and 6.8 under this normal curve and over, of course, the x-axis. Okay, so we shall go to our calculator, go to second distribution, go to normal CDF. Our lower end point is 6.4, the upper end point is 6.8. all right, and the mean is how much? 6.57, and it's hiding it here, 576. okay, and the standard deviation is 0.312. all right, and here we get the value as 0.47726, or 47.73% is going to be our answer, right? So 47.73% of the apples will have weights between 6.4 and 6.8 ounces. all right. Now say we would like to know the percentage of apples that weigh more than 7 ounces. So what we would do in that case is that let's just go ahead and compute the area to the right of 7, right? That is this area by our calculator. So in this case, what we will do again is just go to normal CDF, or just cumulative areas. So our lower end point is 7, and for the upper end point we are letting it go, forever. So we can, even if we enter 20, we can see from the pattern of the graph we would have exhausted all the area. But let's just go ahead and enter the largest number that this calculator can handle. all right, so mean and standard deviation are the same. So in this case, what do we get? 0.08707 or 0.0871, or in other words, 8.71% of the apples. Okay, so 8.71% of the apples will weigh more than 7 ounces. Okay. Now say we would like to know the 90th percentile of this distribution. That is, we would like to know the weight W such that 90% of the apples weigh less than W ounces, right? That's what the 90th percentile will mean. So how would we proceed about it? Now in this case, we are given the area, that is area to the, it says less than, remember it says less than W. So we have 0.9 as the area to the left of W. And for this, we are doing the reverse calculation. So we say, okay, area to the left is 0.99, and the mean is how much? The mean is the mean is 6.576, right? And the standard deviation is 0.312, and we enter that, and what do we get is that weighs about 6.98 ounces, right? That is the area to the left of 6.98 ounces is about 0.9, and that confirms with the other calculation that we did. So here what we got, W is or 90th percentile is 6 point, I forgot it so quick, 98 ounces. Okay, so, and you can see that about 9% of the area is to the right of 7. So this is about 90% is to the left of 6.98. All right. Okay. So let's proceed with this information in the next video.